auxiliary fuel pump. While doing this, smoking is not the best. Ow. Get a little bit of background on this. This pump is because I got caught in a pinch. It's a 45-pound pump for an Edelbrock 350. It's just a cheaper one. I don't suggest to get these. Alright, it's only about a month and a half, 2 months old. Already burning out. It's still good. It just keeps losing its prime. Putting in a little bit better of a pump. Originally, when I built this, it had a 350. With a 5.7 liter. Well, that's 350 with a 74 Malibu transmission, TH 350 underneath of it, Edelbrock carburetor. Has all the mechanics of for the fan, and you lose a little bit of horsepower, but I like the mechanics. The radiator is actually out of a Corvette, but if you're doing up these and putting 350s in them and it had a 4.3 in it, just leave the 4.3 fucking radiator in it. It can handle it. It keeps the motor nice and cool. But I'm going to be putting in a Carter pump here in a second. I've done it on the wheel well, so it gives it a little bit of a lean. One of the things I'm going to be doing is fixing up that lean to make sure it doesn't lean anymore. And pretty much everything else. So